Go ahead and get started. All right, so today what we're doing is keyboard input. So basically in this one, we're gonna learn how to go ahead and put different keys in it. Like if you press up, some will occur. If you press down, something will occur, and then the list goes on. So the first one is just a simple one. They just want you to run the program and see what happens. For just time purposes, go ahead and throw something in there. And so in this case, background will be white, center align, and if you press the space bar, something will occur. So if I press space bar, boom, true will pop up. If I let it go, then it won't. Let's go ahead and go through these. This is key input, mouse input, man. Like it's all the same stuff. Like I would say it's very easy. That's just me. That's just me. All right, so run the code. Press P and what was it? P and H. So right now, you can see the different ones. They want you to add basically add another one for the rabbit. So what do we do? So look at what they already have here. And we just need to go ahead and get a set animation. And then for this one, they already have it already. Just find the rabbit one. And so when we reset it, you press R as a rabbit, press P, it's a pig, H hippo. Pretty easy, right? Try to tell y'all, man, this is simple. You know, how since I've been back recording, so this is gonna be pretty interesting. All right. All right, so on this next one right here, they want you to have an if statement, and then in this one, they want to do a arrow key, and let's see, I think they wanted to move. So let's go get that function. It's already there already. If statement, put it right here. Arrow keys in world. So here's your key down, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make it go to the right, if I remember or not. And then do they have a velocity yet? No, they don't. Let's go ahead and just get our math symbol. Here we go. What's this, a bug? Then math. Oof. Code.org is interesting character. Use that one and then just give it a number. All right, let's run it, press over, and then boop. There you go. Obviously, if I had another arrow key, then I would probably do something as far as making it probably go up, down, around the corner. But in this case, it doesn't. All right, so in this case, they want you to go ahead again. It says add a code to check if the space down key is being pressed. So the easiest way to do this is again, boom, highlight this. Make sure you highlight it again. For those who don't know how to do that, you take your mouse, click it, highlight. All right, throw it inside there, and then after that, go to world, and then give it a key down. And so basically, in this one, and press the little arrow button, you'll probably see all of them. Now, if you want like another key that's not on here, then you have to like have the brackets, quotation marks, sorry, quotation, and then whatever one. So say you want Z to be it, then it could be Z, but just make sure it's in that quotation. So in this case, if I press space bar, and then boom, it goes the way it needs to go, which is again, I think very simple. All right, next one. Let's see. Let's do the debugging. Let's start with A. All right, so here we go again. All right, so in this case, they want you to add another one, conditional statement, and obviously make the left arrow key when you click down. All right, so let's go ahead and let's see what it looks like. It's not even going to show it. Oh, that's trash. That's fine. They want it for all the fishes or just that one fish? I think they probably want it for all the fishes. All right, so easy way to do that. Let's throw this away. Show text. And let's just copy this. Copy this one 2 times. One for the blue and one for the green. Let's go ahead and go back. And now that we have that, we're going to just, again, copy. So I just clicked and press Control C for those who need the shortcut keys. And then the same thing for the green. Control C, and then Control V, Control V. Now, the only thing that we are missing is our basically our if statement. So if we add all this, right? And then, of course, the last one, go to world, get you a key down. And I think they say one to the left, right? All right, left, boom. And so in this case, if you press key down and go left, then it will all go left. All right. You can go and then put, the x-axis first and then go from there, or you can just do that. I mean, once you know how to copy and paste stuff, it's pretty easy. I'm going to debug the turtle. So in this case, they have all this. They have all the arrows. Did I debug this already? Oh, that's my key down not working. All right, so let's see what they want. So obviously, we want to fix this. So we have everything we need. We got a key negative. We went up. Let me restart again. Up, down, over, left. Okay, I got you. So there's only one thing that's wrong with it. Get you your sprite X, put that on there because that's the only thing that was missing on this one. So it should have all the arrow keys now. One of the good things about like going through all these lessons, especially before you make your game, is that you can always take this code and save it. Like I would totally just copy and paste this code, and so I don't have to worry, I don't have to worry about it later when I'm trying to figure out how to do a controller for my game. Especially if you have one that's like what I'm saying, like kind of multi place. All right, next one uh, is the debugging. So again, here we go again. In this case, it's not working. You have multiple things. It looks stagnated. All right, and this one, let's go and check out our code. A couple of things you see like right off the bit, right off the thing is like this right here is all messed up. So let's take all this and like literally stick it above it because that's probably like all the battle if I had to guess. And then oh look, it works perfect. Like that's literally all the battle. Sometimes people put their stuff in there. Remember, once you create it one time, you have to like redo it. Just keep it simple. All right, and then where I'm gonna leave y'all at for this one. Again, here we go. Make a simple game controller for basically the fly. Again, so two ways you can do it, right? You can go back to where we was at before, and one of these other previous lessons, they already did it right. And I'm gonna show you how easy this is. So I'm gonna go get my code from here. I'm gonna say, hey, there's no need to work hard. Control C. I'm gonna go ahead to my sixth one, and I am going to look. These are all comments, and the comments are great, but that's even better. So let's go back and now let's go ahead and put all this stuff in there. So let's get our flybot and just literally paste that in there. Paste, paste, paste. And I paste and I paste. And I'm being honest, that's the good thing about coding is that you can get, other resources that gives you the answers and you look really good doing it. And you really didn't do it, but power of copy and pasting. Um, don't do this in like English class. You might get a copyright infringement. All right. Here we go again. I'll let y'all do these last two. I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, it's not really that hard. We already went over movements and we already went over clicker. I'll let y'all go have fun with that because I don't want this video too long. All right, later days. Thank you.